Hey guys, welcome back to the Planet V and to a new adventure. Come join us in our road trip to the southern part of Athens, which offers one of the best views of sunset in all of Greece.
Yes.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to.
We're now passing by the Flisvos Marina. This is a very posh area in Athens, a place where you could have good food actually, and a place where you'll find those huge yachts. If you walk here, photos and videos are not allowed. First stop is Saturday-Laki. It's a restaurant facing the coast. The trip to Sounio would be nice if you dedicate, so that you'll have a chance to explore as well the coastline of Greece. Saturday-Laki was recommended to us by a colleague of Vol.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
Interesting, they have a valet in this restaurant. And by the way, we've noticed that if you pay by credit card here in Greece, pay attention because they have a different order of numbers on the PIN code. Yeah, for the PIN code.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. It all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.
As you've seen, we got the car from the 6th for a day tour, unlimited kilometers. That cost how much?
Around 50 euros.
Around 50 euros with a 100 euros deposit. So we can use this until the end of the day. They're gonna close at 8:30 in the evening, so we must return the car before that. The Temple of Athena Souniados was erected in 470 BC. After it was destroyed in the 1st century AD, parts of its columns were taken and used in the southeast temple of the Agora in Athens. When you come here, guys, ticket entrance is 5 euros per person. Since the beginning of modern tourism, Cape Sounion has been a well-liked day trip for travelers from Athens. We are now at our main destination for this day trip, guys. We are in Sounio, which is the southernmost tip of the Attica region, and it's also known as the Sacred Cape of the Athenians. We are now in the old settlement, guys. What you see here was the main street, and this was the crossroad. And behind me are the ruins of the old blocks of houses. Sailors believe that making animal sacrifices and offerings inside the Temple of Poseidon will save them from his wrath and keep them safe while they are out at sea. Limestone was used to construct the ancient Poseidon temple, which dates back to the Archaic era. During Xerxes I's invasion of Greece in 480 BC, Persian troops are likely to have demolished the ancient temple. In 444 to 440 BC, the Poseidon temple at Sounio was built. Pericles, an Athenian leader who rose to power and constructed the Parthenon in Athens, was in power during that time. The temple is built in the traditional hexastyle and has a 6-column front portico. Only a few of the Sounio temple's original columns remain now, but when it was complete, it would have been very similar to the nearby well-preserved Temple of Hephaestus beneath the Acropolis, which may have been created by the same architect. In total, there were 34 original Doric order columns made from white marble, 15 of which are still standing.